Alrighty, so it's a good day. It's not too hot, not too cold, a bit windy, but I'm going to be changing a def header. So I'm going to be getting this def header from this truck right here, and I'm going to go ahead. This is a parts truck, I guess, just used for parts. So what I'm going to do is basically take this header out of here, and I'm going to put it into another truck. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking off this step and showing you how to take off this def header real quick, easy, and simple. So this is the def header on the parts truck that we just take parts from. So here's what the def header looks like. This right here is a magnetic style kind of def header. So this is the one that does not have the flow that goes up and down. So we're going to go ahead, take this to the other truck, and we're going to assemble this in the other truck just exactly how we took this one out. And then we're gonna hook it up a scanner and all that kind of stuff like that and see if it works. Alright, so here's the truck that we want to start working. This is that other header from the other truck over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these all down. Alright, so I got it back on, and I'm gonna try to put it back. There we go. So got that back, and then this came from the over piece, but try here to try to put it in here. We'll put this hose goes back here in the middle. Get that back on. There. The other hose is right here. I use pink zip ties. Get that. There we go. Let's take these to scoop back. Feed those lines back, and then I want to connect the def lines and then put all these brackets back. Alrighty, so before it was not reading anything at all on the meter dash here on the gauge. Now it's reading on the gauge. I cycled the key, so it's just about right, but I wanted to just show off I wanted to show off my pens that I got made, so just I don't know if they look nice, but yeah, just give me a comment on that if you like them. Probably ship you one free or whatever, but I'm just putting up the scanner here now, and then I'm gonna clear the code. And here's the reading, which is about accurate. Yeah, it's full tank. So loading the fault here. Load. By the way, it's on an international truck, and it's a dump truck application, by the way. All right, so here it's loaded up. We have a 2021 international, and these are the inactive codes. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear those. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck. And it went up even more, so there we go. It's reading full. And no codes, and that's it. So I can go here, and I can look at it. Tank level, as you can see, tank level there is full. and we are good. And there we go. You guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. This year I'm doing some giveaways before the end of the year, so if you want some merchandise, you want a beanie, you want a pen, whatever it is, go ahead, leave a comment and whatnot. Thank you.